Good morning, my boy. Yeah, there he goes. Hello. How was you today? Yeah, how was you? Ah, they're all coming. There's my big one. Where is he? Ah, there you are. Good morning. Hiya. Look, he's got the orange go at some. Good morning to you, pal. Ah, you can. I'm not going to hurt you. Eh? No, I'm not. Good morning. Brilliant, brilliant. New deals, a lot of touches, yeah. Get it on, tell him not to take it. Chasing them along. Inside, yeah. The hero. My seagull, the hero. Got a story about seagulls years ago, and it would just be amazing if that was the right one. Eh, pal? Aye, because you'd be about 17, 18 year old now. 17? No, as a matter of fact, 18. You would too. Wonder how long a seagull lives for. Anybody know? I suppose I could Google it. Yeah, good morning to you, pal. Want me to get a new one for you? Gonna parts it for you. Alright, happy days now. I just want that one. Oh, look at him up at the window. Cheeky. Ah, he's cheeky. So, let's see, the wee cheeky, eh? See, got up at the windowsill. And the wee pigeons will come in and get what they can. Eh, good morning. Good morning. What's he doing on the seagull on there? Oh, look up there. I can see that. See it? Right in the middle there. Oh, to the light. There it is there. Come on. And the birds are all standing looking at me. As if there's rest, Karen. But I can't give the rest. I'm not getting it all. Amazing, I love birds. Seagulls, any type of bird. Look at that one. That's it. Cracking, eh? Getting a wee army. Oh, that was sitting on my neighbour's windowsill. My wee black one's not a bit. Well, it's not mine, obviously. It belongs to the sky. Look. That's not getting much of a chance to hide today. Well, even though it's got plenty of cover. Cloud cover. Now, look at the birds. We'll talk about the birds, because there they are. Beautiful, eh? Again, people will be saying it's a seagull. But it's not. Have you ever felt the weight of a seagull? Really light. It's like as if he guards my bit for me, pal. Aye. If you're the right seagull, we saved your life years ago. Imagine that. Imagine if that was the right seagull. Usually seagulls don't sit on people's windowsills like, but there you go. Yes. So there's three to choose for. I don't know where the other ones went. You're a clever boy. Good day to you, Mr. Seagull. Hello. 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 Hi. You coming over for a wee chat? You coming for a chat? Your pal's having a look up there, he's having a good look. Oh, he's off now. What are you saying then? You tell me a story about the rest of the place. Yeah? You can't tell me stories. Oh, no, you. The bird. That is off.